Kitchens are evolving fast, and if you're thinking about a remodel, there are some big changes coming this year that you do not want to miss. Some of these are absolute game changers, things that make your kitchen smarter, sleeker, and way more functional. Others, they just look awesome and make your space feel totally fresh. And let's be honest, nobody wants to spend a fortune on a reno only for their kitchen to feel outdated in a couple of years. I've seen this happen so many times. So today, I'm breaking down 6 must-see kitchen trends for 2025 to help you make design choices that are beautiful, practical, and ultimately built to last. Let's get into it. Are you looking for a full-service online color consultation? Check out the link below because we are offering a personalized color consultation service with Maria, our full-time consultant. You can have a back and forth communication to make sure you're picking the right colors for your space. Details are all below. Welcome back to Top 6 Saturday, where we talk about my 6 favorite or least favorite things in color and design. And today's all about kitchens. So let's talk about it. Number 1, smart kitchens with hidden power and pop-up outlets. Yeah. Can we talk about how annoying it is when you're trying to use your countertop for food prep, but there's wires everywhere and there's like your toaster's plugged in, your blender, phone charger also plugged in. It's a disaster. That's why this kind of seemingly unnecessary piece of technology is actually kind of cool to me. Hidden pop-up power outlets are becoming a must-have in modern kitchens. I saw this in person the other day and I was like, whoa, this is a thing now? Instead of having a bunch of outlets breaking up your beautiful backsplash, or worse, ugly extension cords draped across your counter, these outlets hide away until you actually need them. Just press down and boom, instant power source. Super cool. And that's just the start. We're also starting to see wireless charging countertops, smart fridges that track your groceries, and voice-activated appliances that let you control with just a word. It's nuts. The kitchen is finally catching up to the rest of the smart home trend, and honestly, I'm here for it. Number 2, a continuation of warm, rich-toned cabinet colors. If you're still holding on to an all-white kitchen, you must be new here, because I don't really like them anymore. White cabinets, they're not the move in 2025, okay? They're beautiful, sure, they're timeless, they're crisp, they're clean, but they also show every single fingerprint, stain, and smudge. And unless you love cleaning, which if you do, please come over to my place, I'll pay you might want to go in a different direction. This year, we're seeing a shift towards warm, rich tone cabinetry. Think deep wood stains, moody greens, and even dark mushroom tones, believe it or not. These colors add depth and personality to a space, plus they're way more forgiving when it comes to messes. Pair it with the right lighting and the right hardware, it'll make any kitchen look cozy, high-end, and effortlessly stylish. Big fan here. Number 3, the unfitted kitchen. For years, we've been obsessed with kitchens that match perfectly. Every cabinet the same, the island blending right in, even the hardware all being identical. But here's the thing, perfectly matching kitchens can sometimes feel a little too safe. So in 2025, we're breaking that rule. Enter the unfitted kitchen look, where cabinet finishes, textures, and even furniture elements come together to create a space that feels more collected and personal. Think an island that's a totally different color and even texture than your cabinets, open shelving mixed with closed cabinetry, and even freestanding furniture replacing bulky built-ins. The result, a kitchen that truly feels one of a kind, like it evolved over time and was added to rather than being plucked straight from a catalog. Number 4, black accents and dark countertops. Okay, I know we all love a good light and airy kitchen, but sometimes a kitchen needs a little drama. And I'm not talking about matte black fixtures, okay? No. Darker accents and even black countertops are making a comeback. Deep, moody quartz or soapstone countertops, and even dark cabinetry paired with warm woods or even dark warm woods. That kind of contrast makes a kitchen feel modern, elegant, and super cool. If you're not ready to commit to full-on black cabinets, for me, I did a mixed metal approach where I have a bit of matte black, but then also brushed nickel because I don't know, I didn't want to go too contrasty in my kitchen. Dark and black kitchens, they're pretty cool, but just so you know, they're still kind of hard to clean, or at least keep clean, kind of like white. When you go all the way light or all the way dark, you do run into that issue. So just as a disclaimer. Number 5, statement backsplashes. No more subway tile. It's over, guys. Let's address the elephant in the room. White subway tile has had a great run. Fantastic. Classic choice. It's clean. It seems to go with everything, but in 2025, I think we're finally ready to move on. We have to talk about the biggest shifts in kitchen design, to me, which is large format tiles. So if you've ever had backsplash installed before, you know how annoying grout lines can be. They collect grease, dust, and who knows what else, making your kitchen look dirty no matter how often you wipe it down. So in 2025, we're saying goodbye to all those tiny little tiles and hello to big, bold surfaces that are easier to clean and way more visually striking. Instead of traditional backsplashes, more people are choosing large format porcelain slabs, quartz panels, or even ultra-thin sintered stone that extend from the countertop all the way to the ceiling. These materials mimic the look of marble or concrete or natural stone, but without the high maintenance. The result is a kitchen that feels expensive, high-end, and totally seamless. Plus, if you choose a stone with bold veining, it becomes a bit of a statement piece all on its own, no extra decor needed. If you're going for a modern, minimalist, or ultra-luxurious kitchen, this is the backsplash upgrade you'll want to use. Number 6, built-in seating and cozy breakfast nooks. Kitchens aren't just for cooking anymore. They're where people hang out, work from home, actually spend time together. And that's exactly why built-in seating and cozy nooks are becoming one of the biggest trends of 2025. Coziness is the thing now. We all love to feel a bit cozy and wrapped up. I see my blanket over on the couch and I just want to wrap myself during this video, but that probably wouldn't look too professional, so I'll just sit here in the cold instead. Instead of stiff bar stools at a kitchen island, more homeowners are starting to opt for built-in banquets, upholstered bench seating, and even lounge areas in the kitchen. And the goal is to make the kitchen feel like a place you want to stay in, not just a space you pass through when you're starving. This is especially great if you have a smaller kitchen because built-in seating can double as extra storage with hidden drawer underneath. Yes, please. Love that. And there you have it. 6 design trends that are changing how kitchens are going to be in 2025. Whether you're doing a full remodel or just making a few updates, hopefully this helps you out, and that's it.